In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Squarespace 7.1, new 2025 tutorial for beginners. A drop-down menu is a simple way to organize your top navigation so visitors can find what they need without overwhelming them with too many links. We'll build it inside Squarespace's Pages panel, create the drop-down container, add items, reorder them, and then test it on desktop and mobile. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and head to Pages. This is where you'll see your site's navigation groups like Main Navigation and Footer Navigation. For a standard top menu dropdown, we'll work in Main Navigation. Footer Navigation is great for legal pages or secondary links, but the dropdown we're making should live in Main so it appears across your header. Inside Main Navigation, click the plus button to add a new item. Choose Dropdown, which may be labeled Folder in some designs. In Squarespace 7.1, a folder, and a drop-down function. The same way here. It's a container that holds the submenu items your visitors will see. Give the drop-down a clear title, such as Services, About, or Products. This label is what appears in your top menu, so keep it short and descriptive. Consistency helps. Match the capitalization style you use for other navigation items, and avoid overly long words that might wrap on smaller screens. Now add your submenu items. If you already have pages, simply drag them into the folder until you see the indent. Those indented pages become the items that appear when someone opens the dropdown. If you need something new, open the folder and select Add Page to create a fresh page, or choose Link if you want to point to an external URL or a specific section on your site. Keep the list focused. 5 to 7 items is usually plenty, and use concise labels that are easy to scan. Next, adjust the order. You can drag the entire folder to reposition it within Main Navigation, and you can reorder the items inside to bring your most important links to the top. New items often appear at the top by default, so drag them into the right spot. This won't change the page URLs, it only affects how the menu is displayed. Time to test. Click Preview and open your site. On desktop, hover over or click the menu label to reveal the submenu. On mobile and tablet, the folder becomes an expandable section in the hamburger menu. Check that text is readable, links are easy to tap, and labels don't wrap awkwardly. If something feels off, return to Pages, tweak names or order, and preview again. Squarespace saves as you go, so updates apply immediately. And that's it. You've set up a clean, user-friendly drop-down menu in Squarespace 7.1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for